DaVinci Resolve is a powerful free video editor, so let me show you how you can download and install this great software on your Mac. I would start in Google search, so simply search for DaVinci Resolve, and the very first page by Blackmagic, that's the one you need to open. While you are here, just scroll down a little bit. As you can see here, DaVinci Resolve 20, and now we can download for free. It's time to select the version of the software. I'm on macOS, and before we will get the download link, we need to register. The software is free. All you need to do is register your account. After you click register and download, you will get this pop-up with the link. It should start downloading the program automatically, but if it's not downloading, just click on this big button once more. As you can see, the download file for Mac Silicon is around 3 GB. After you unzip the file, you will get the install package.dmg. Let's open that, and now here it is. Here's the install button. Double tap. You may need to put the admin password and then click install software. The installation was successful. Great. We can close the installer now. You can move it to trash. After you open your apps, you should be able to see DaVinci Resolve. Here we got what's new screen, and we can simply click continue. If this is the first time you're using this software on your computer, you can do a quick setup, or you can skip that straight to the project. And here it is. And that's how easy it is to download and install DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.